Hi, my name is Lewis, and I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux onto a virtual machine as part of my blog for IT professional skills. So the first step is to go onto virtualbox.org and download VirtualBox. It's a software by Oracle that allows you to create a virtual machine, and it's free to use. Then the next thing you want to get is Kali Linux. The download's there from kali.org. And then once that's downloaded, you just open up VirtualBox. You hit New. We're going to name our virtual machine. I'm just going to call it Kali. The type is Linux, and the version you've been 64 bits perfect. Just hit next, and then I'm going to go with the recommended allocated RAM size. And then we're going to create a virtual hard disk. And it's going to be a virtual box disk image because Kali we downloaded was actually the image for Kali, so we can mount it on later. Next, I'm going to go with dynamically annotated, and I'm going to give it 20 gigs, just to make sure it has enough space. Create. And then what you do is you right click and go into settings. And down to storage, we're just going to mount the image. Just click down here. We pick the file, and you just go to wherever you have the Kali downloaded. Just mount that. And then we go into system, and we're going to go to processors just to make sure that this is up at 100% because it uses quite a bit of power. And we're going to give it 2 CPUs. Just hit OK. And then you just double click on this to launch, and it just mounts the image. Takes a few minutes. Go to scale mode, switch. You go down to install, and that just mounts the image and takes a couple of seconds. Then we just go English, we'll just go to Ireland, the keyboard setup will go Irish again. This just takes a few seconds, so I'll pause. So when that's done, I'll just ask you to give a host name. I'm just going to go with Kali for now. And the domain name, we're going to go test.local. Continue. And it's going to ask us for a password. Continue. It's going to ask us again. It's just going to set up more things now. It's going to ask us, do we want to partition disks? I'm just going to go guided, just for handiness sake. Just go finishing, save the changes to the disk. Click yes. And just install a few more bits. Then once the installation's nearly complete, it asks you, do you want a network mirror to supplement the software that's on the CD-ROM? And I have my drivers for my network card in the CD-ROM, so I'm going to hit yes. We're just going to hit continue. Just going to set that up. Then it's going to ask you, is the operating system's computer? You're going to hit yes. Just going to click this. It's going to install the bootloader. Then it's just going to finish the installation and clean up a few bits at the end. Now it's just launching for the first time. It's just loading up. And there we go. That's the installation of Kali Linux on a virtual machine.